Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Thursday launched an online portal through which people can file their RTI queries, obviating the need to physically approach departments for information. People can even file their first appeal on the portal if they do not receive information within 30 days of submitting a query. An RTI request can be made by logging into the portal www.rtionline.goa.government.in and selecting the relevant department. Once the payment is made, the applicant will receive an SMS and other details on their registered phone number.
Big plots for sale from 1,000 to 20,000 square meters at Mapsa, Menkurim, and Dhargal. Contact Big Tycoon.
So this is the initial login where applicant has to provide the name, mobile number and email ID. Then he will be getting the request from RTI application form where he has to select the department, office, sub-office to which he is applying. He has to provide his detail. Then he has to upload the RTI request file and then do the submission. Then he will be redirected for making the payment of 10 rupees. After successful payment to treasury, then you will get the successful submission message. Along with that, SMS will also come. Then he'll get a full registration number. Later, department will be able to log in. PIO of the department will be able to log in and see what request has, what RTI request has come, and it will come appear in his dashboard. So then he will log in and he will open the request. Later to that, he will accept the request for processing. PIO will accept the request for processing. Later to that, after accepting it for processing, he can give the reply online to that RTI request to the applicant, and it will also appear online to the applicant. The applicant can see through the application status. So this entire process is online. Submission is also online, and the applicant also can do it online on the portal.
It's similar to RTI online, the Union Government is.
Yeah, similar.
It's a comprehensive, complete workflow based one, wherein the citizen apply. It comes to 600 departments and sub departments are onboarded, and wherein the department official can give a reply that also public a citizen can see. If the citizen is not satisfied, he can go for a first appeal, second appeal, and this will go to the CIC also. In the second appeal, State Information Commissioner also. It's a completely comprehensive online model wherein it gives for the citizen a personalized experience working with the government. From sitting at the ease of his residence, he can select the departments, he need not run to each department. All departments are onboarded. We have taken into consideration all the departments, nodal officers is account is this database is created, PIOs is created, sub PIOs, till such a complete comprehensive workflow is there. Wherein even payment, the citizen need not step out of his. It's a complete
central thing is completely free.
No additional payment if it is required for printing or any this one additional requirement CD or something is giving, then they will have to ask for payment.
Physical copy payment मुझे पता है digital copy
If they have to give CD or something data on CD pen drive or anything, then they will have to ask that extra.
आयच्या आमच्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन डिपार्टमेंट आणि एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा हांच्या वतीन परत एकदा आमी नव्यान रिलॉन्च करता नवे पर्व सरकाराचे जे मुखपृष्ठ आसा आमी ते नवे पर्व परत एकदा आमी क्वार्टरली बेसिसचेर हे पब्लिसिटी करतले आनी आमच्या एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा हाज्या थ्रू हे नवे पर्व लोकां समोर हाडटले. आयज म्हाजे बरोबर आसात आमच्या एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवाचे वायस चेअरमॅन मॅडम जिलायला लागू, आमचे मिस्टर बांदेकर डायरेक्टर ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, अंकिता मिश्रा CEO फॉर द ESG आणि नव्या पर्वाचे सचिन चाटे आमच्या बरोबर आसात. आणि तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे परत एकदा स्वागत करता. आमी नवे पर्व नवे मॅगझीन परत एकदा आमी तेजी नव्यान सुरवात करता आणि सातत्यान सगळ्या लोकांच्या पर्यंत आनी मिडिया पर्यंत वचपा खातीर सरकारान केल्ले वेगवेगळी कामां वेगवेगळे प्रोजेक्ट हे लोकांच्या मुखार दवरपा खातीर नवे पर्व हे ह्या निमित्तान लोकां कडेन पावतले. आणि विशेष करून आमी जेका म्हणटा सक्सेस स्टोरी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट यूथ लोकां पर्यंत पावपा खातीर नव्या पर्वाचो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात बदल जातलो.